In this video, I show you how I have 20x'd my crypto portfolio with the help, in part, of these 5 YouTube channels. Now, over the past few years, I have acquired a lot of cryptocurrency know-how, which in part I owe to the wisdom and knowledge acquired from following these 5 channels. The cryptocurrency space is a newer and faster moving space, and even if you follow it on a full-time basis, it would still be quite an ordeal to cover all its various aspects. Here are the 5 YouTube channels that have most helped me in my cryptocurrency journey, starting with number 5. With this channel, 99 Bitcoins, it literally does what it says it does, which is to translate Bitcoin to plain English. Anything and everything about cryptocurrency is explained in a more user-friendly, plain English kind of way. If you're new to cryptocurrency, or even if you've been in cryptocurrency for a while and you really want to get to grips with some of the newer features and aspects of cryptocurrency popping up at such a rapid rate, then this is a good channel to frequent so you can be on top of your crypto news and basically everything and anything you need to know about crypto. On this channel, CryptoTips, Heidi and her husband Toby cover various topics focusing on the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, why they are created, what will prove important for them to continue to exist well into the future. They review trending topics and host weekly live streams. Now, because this crypto duo creates daily content, they're able to bring you fast-breaking news that could impact your crypto investments one way or the other. Next is the Wendy O Show channel, and according to her bio, you will, quote, find a wide variety of crypto interviews, project reviews, discussion pieces, technical analysis, and market updates on her channel. Now, if you want to stay cutting edge with cryptocurrency and stay ahead of new features, platforms, and coins as they come along, then you might just want to subscribe to Wendy's channel. She uploads videos a couple of times daily, and you can also follow her on Instagram, TikTok, and most of all the other social media platforms. Next up is CoinsKid. If you're heavily into Bitcoin, then CoinsKid does seem to focus quite a bit on Bitcoin technical analysis. He does dabble into other coins such as Cardano, VeChain, and Chainlink, and a bunch of other coins, but mainly his analysis focuses on Bitcoin and whatever Bitcoin is doing. He's quite good at giving pretty much signals as far as where to get into a trade or maybe where to exit a trade. So if that's what you're looking for, then this again is a good channel for you to check out. He does also take requests from his subscribers, whereby if you're wanting him to do technical analysis on some coin that you're considering to buy or sell, he does sometimes take such requests. Now, this is not financial advice, and I personally have not tried out his signals. I just know he gives them out on his channel, and it's for you to look into it if you're interested, to try it out, and to see if it works for you. I think his technical analysis is on the money, and I've benefited quite a bit from his technical know-how. Now, this channel, Rayner Teo's channel, has got to be my #1 go-to channel for technical analysis, specifically candlestick patterns. Now, Rayner is a forex trader, but with technical analysis and with charting, it really doesn't matter what you invest in, because the charting or the fundamentals of how these various financial instruments move are all the same, be you in cryptocurrency, stocks, or the forex market. But really, Rayner covers everything that you need to know about being a successful trader: when to enter into trades, when to exit trades, what you ought to be paying attention to, and just basically he seems to cover all his wealth of experience in his videos. He has been around for a while, so he must have at least a couple of 100 videos that you could benefit from. Making videos can be super thirsty work, so you can help support my channel by buying me a cup of coffee. Find the link in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like and comment below, because your comments actually inform me of what kind of content you prefer and what else you would love to see on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. This way, you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I will see you in the next video.